Stop by and take a look at the 2017 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, cruise control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, child safety locks, trip computer, trip odometer, electronic brake force distribution. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.